March 16, 2023. You guys, what I'm saying is we're going to be in a new weather pattern, which means El Nino is back. Now, what I'm seeing from the 21st and the 22nd, there's another atmospheric river, which would be a deadly catastrophic event into a Category 4, even a greater strength into a Category 5. Also, update that I want to share with the Hurricane 2023 season. Now, we are already above sea level temperatures, which means there's plenty of warm water for precipitation. Now, whether there'll be the strong wind shears, because you need strong wind shears to knock out these storms. But if there's less wind shears, the chance is more cyclones. Most, likely you get more cyclones. So what I was saying, in this year of 2023 hurricane season, will be tense, which I'll say you've seen Bonnie, how there was enough warm water in the Gulf of Mexico and how Bonnie had a chance to develop. We seen what N did. We seen a lot of, storms in the Pacific Basin. I think this year the Atlantic Basin will be very, very much, above, average. Now, they naming 18 storms, hurricanes, and there will be 8 hurricanes with 4 major hurricanes from a Category 3 or even greater from Category 5. So this hurricane season will be much, much catastrophic. I believe that there will be more, landfall with these hurricanes, because I seen from, last year, the Pacific Basin was even lit. So I believe that we will have a much, much active hurricane season, especially when we are coming into another phase of El Nino. So, brother, this is definitely a heads up. We definitely got to take it very serious. Be prepared. So I want to say, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the channel. Want to cash at me? Go to $ Kafani Howard. Feel free to cash at me. Anything, like I said, will be always appreciated. I want to say, brothers, don't forget the 3 P's. Practice, prepare, and persevere. And be safe.